After 1 month, it's time to redeploy ContraPest. Carefully lift the tank and tray from the bait station, keeping the insert level to limit spills. Slowly rotate the insert away from you, as indicated by the arrow on the top of the tank, until the feeder tray is on top. Hold the insert in this position for about 5 seconds to ensure that the bait flows back into the tank. Unscrew the feeder tray from the tank and flip the tray over, back to its upright position. Remove the cap from the new tank and, keeping the opening down, screw the tank onto the tray. Once tightened, the flow of liquid will begin immediately. Then place the bait insert back into the appropriate side of the bait station. Now the product has been properly replaced and is ready for another month. Simply screw the cap from the new tank onto the old tank. Then it is safe to dispose of in the trash. For more information or questions, contact us today.